Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. The easy guide to replacing your car's EVP position sensor. Ever had your check engine light come on and wondered what could be causing it? One common culprit is a faulty EVP position sensor. This tiny but crucial component helps your car's engine run smoothly. If it's not working right, you might experience rough idling, poor fuel efficiency, or even engine stalling. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of replacing your EVP position sensor. You'll learn how to diagnose a bad sensor and gather the necessary tools and steps to replace it confidently. Say goodbye to those frustrating engine issues and get back on the road with peace of mind. Understanding EVP position sensors. EVP, exhaust gas recirculation valve position. Sensors are crucial components in a vehicle's engine system, responsible for monitoring the position of the EGR valve. This sensor aids in optimizing the vehicle's performance and reducing harmful emissions by regulating the flow of exhaust gases. What is an EVP position sensor? An EVP position sensor is a sensor that detects the position of the EGR valve in a vehicle's engine system. This sensor sends signals to the engine control unit, informing it about the exact position of the valve. By monitoring the EGR valve position, the sensor helps in controlling the flow of exhaust gases, which is essential for maintaining engine efficiency and reducing emissions. Importance of EVP position sensors in vehicles. EVP position sensors play a critical role in the proper functioning of a vehicle's exhaust gas recirculation system. By accurately detecting the position of the EGR valve, these sensors allow the engine control unit to make necessary adjustments to optimize performance and fuel efficiency. Additionally, EVP position sensors help in minimizing emissions by ensuring the correct recirculation of exhaust gases. EVP position sensors are vital components in modern vehicles, contributing to both performance optimization and environmental conservation. Understanding the significance of these sensors can help vehicle owners appreciate their role in maintaining the efficiency and eco-friendliness of their vehicles. Signs you need to replace an EVP position sensor. If your vehicle is experiencing certain issues, it might be time to consider replacing the EVP, exhaust gas recirculation valve, position sensor. Here are some key signs that indicate the need for a replacement. Common symptoms of a faulty EVP position sensor. Check engine light. One of the most common indicators of a faulty EVP position sensor is the illumination of the check engine light on your dashboard. This warning light can signal various potential problems with your vehicle, including issues related to the EVP sensor. Rough idle. A rough or uneven idle when your car is in park or at a stop could be a sign of a malfunctioning EVP position sensor. If you notice your vehicle shaking or vibrating more than usual, it might be time to have the sensor checked. Decreased fuel efficiency. A faulty EVP position sensor can lead to a decrease in fuel efficiency. If you find yourself making more frequent trips to the gas station or noticing a significant drop in miles per gallon, it could be attributed to a faulty sensor. Engine stalling. Another symptom of a failing EVP position sensor is engine stalling. If your vehicle randomly shuts off while driving or idling, it's essential to have the sensor inspected to avoid potential safety hazards on the road. Diagnostic tools for identifying EVP position sensor issues. When it comes to diagnosing problems with the EVP position sensor, there are several diagnostic tools that automotive technicians use to pinpoint issues accurately. These tools include 1. OBD-II scanner. An onboard diagnostics OBD-II scanner is a valuable tool for reading trouble codes stored in your vehicle's computer system. By connecting the scanner to your car's OBD port, technicians can retrieve specific error codes related to the EVP sensor. 2. Multimeter. A multimeter is used to measure electrical signals and voltage levels in the EVP sensor circuit. Technicians can use this tool to check for continuity, resistance, and voltage fluctuations that may indicate a faulty sensor. 3. Smoke machine. A smoke machine is a diagnostic tool that helps detect leaks in the exhaust system, including the EGR valve connected to the EVP position sensor. By introducing smoke into the system, technicians can visually identify any leaks or malfunctions affecting sensor performance. By recognizing these common symptoms and utilizing diagnostic tools, you can determine when it's time to replace the EVP position sensor in your vehicle to ensure optimal performance and efficiency on the road. Steps to replace an EVP position sensor. Replacing your EVP, exhaust gas recirculation valve, position sensor is a task that can be done with some basic tools and a bit of know-how. Here's a straightforward guide on how to replace an EVP position sensor in your vehicle. Gathering necessary tools and materials. Before starting the replacement process, it's essential to gather all the tools and materials you'll need. Typical tools required include a wrench or socket set, safety goggles, gloves, and a new EVP position sensor suitable for your vehicle make and model. That's it for part 1 of our guide on replacing your car's EVP position sensor. We've covered the basics and how to diagnose problems. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll show you the step-by-step replacement process. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.